So, मैं और लाइक फिल्म मेकर्स की बात करना चाहता हूँ. आपने पायल कपाड़िया की फिल्म देखी?
All We Imagine Is Light. Yes.
Did you like it?
I did like it. I did
Yeah.
like it. Yes.
And have you seen like Village Rockstar?
I loved Village Rockstar.
Yeah.
I loved Girls Will Be Girls.
Yeah. Oh.
Actually, Girls Will Be Girls, I felt was one which actually didn't get the hype that it deserved.
I also believe so, ma'am.
I was watching it like it was so tense. I was so engaged. I loved that film.
Stress laughing throughout.
Yeah, that's true.
They are not going to do. Oh shit, they did it. पूरी film में ही हो रहा था. And she's such
and also Payal.
Yeah.
Is such a great actress. Is that what you were going to say? She's such a.
The Payal, the girl.
The actress.
I think
Preeti. Sorry.
Preeti and Kani.
Yeah.
Yeah. They were so good in it. And again, ये वाली nuance भी कोई नहीं दिखाता. जैसे this is also like a nuance कि okay, the mother is also involved now and it is something which is happening.
And the mother is involved in the sense that there's just some blurring of lines.
Yes.
And how just a little blurring of line makes us so uncomfortable. Huh? Okay, move. I'll show you. That I find so interesting because as long as you kind of are inhabiting the path that is expected from you and everybody's comfortable, everyone's happy. But as soon as you kind of, transgress a little bit, it wreaks havoc, no? I mean, then everybody's uncomfortable. Nobody knows how to behave.
Yeah, and that is also something which happened in your short film, Mirror.
Yeah.
Like, because अब ऐसी territory है कि अब जाओगे कहाँ? Like, what do you do there? So, आपको कभी लगा कि ज़्यादा हो रहा है जब इन्हें edit की?
हमें लगा कि ये कैसे बनाई, ये कैसे लिख के, ये कैसे दिखाए. Like even when we were writing it, Pooja Tolani and I, we had a blast writing it firstly.
Yeah.
And we were like, should we? Can we? Are we allowed to? But that was the fun, that was also the fun. And also there was this little thing of, what will people think of me? A little bit that was also there. But it's lust stories. So that was, because it was under the aegis of lust stories, it's like, this is the assignment. What do we do?
Yeah.